Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of 2-minute tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add image in MidJourney. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you have not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, open up your Discord application and also make sure that you're connected to the MidJourney server. Once you're inside, go ahead and select one of the chatbots you'd like to chat with, and you'll be able to see the text box at the bottom. Right in front of the text box, you should see the plus button. Tap on it and select the file you would like to upload and tap on it and tap send. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to add images in MidJourney. Once you are done adding the image, tap on it to open it up. Press hold to the image and tap on share. Now, tap on the copy button to copy the image's URL. Then, you can use this copied link as a prompt in MidJourney. For example, let me go ahead and show it to you. Type in a /, type in the prompt, and paste in the URL that you copied. You can now ask whatever you want to ask about the image, or if you'd like to add something in it, you can ask the AI to do it for you. Once you are done, you can tap the send button or the arrow button on the right corner in order to edit your images as well. That is how you can add images in MidJourney. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If the video was helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.